Hello guys, this is me Supriya Sharma. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today I'm back with a new video. It's been so long that I was not active. The only reason because there are a lot going in my life right now. I am traveling, I am busy in my studies. So that's something that I'm managing right now. But I have made my mood that I have to shoot and I have to release. There is nothing to shoot, guys. I'm shooting my videos constantly, but I'm not able to release it out on the particular time. So that's the issue because I'm busy in my personal work. So that's not a big deal. I will try to make sure that I'm active and I'll post my content soon. So today I'm back with a new video. As you have read the title, today's video is based on haul. So yes, I know it that you guys are waiting a long time. It's been a long time that I'm not uploading any haul videos. You were asking for my birthday vlog wala thing. So this is the birthday vlog wala gifts wala thing, but it is moreover a haul video in which my birthday gifts will be included, which I'm going to mention it out. So kidhar mat jana, please continue to watch. So without any wasting any single time, let's get into this video. So today's video is based on Amazon haul video. So today I'm just going to show you all the Amazon ka cheese that I've bought. So let's start with the first one. So the first one is very essential that you need to have in this COVID wala thing because this is something that's going to protect you. So the first thing is this. This is the Pure Vape. It is the facial filter that you can take. ज़्यादा हमको मोस्टली इस चीज़ की ज़रूरत बहुत है ये लॉकडाउन या पैंडेमिक के टाइम पे बिकॉज हम लोग ज़्यादा बाहर जाते हैं एंड धूल मिट्टी अगर हो रही है तो फिर वी नीड टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर सेल्स, राइट? आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट्स नॉट ओपनिंग. फाइनली सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज. So this is लोग उसको क्या बोलते हैं, stream. This is the stream वाला thing. So this is basically for your stream वाला thing because you go out and this pandemic में आपको अपनी सेहत का ध्यान देना है तो ये उसके लिए यूज होने वाला है. So this is something very good that you really need to have in your place. If you don't have, let's run, go to the app, check it out, let's buy and keep it with yourself because this is the essential thing that you need to have with yourself. So this is how it looks. This is very good. यहाँ से आपको एयर आता है and then you can take it out. The remedy to use it, let me say you that. Switch off and remove the plug. That's all written over here. So it's very easy and it's very small chintu sa box. So you can carry it with yourself wherever you're traveling. So this is something that you need to have, guys. So जाओ फटाफट लो, stream लेना start करो और सेहत का ध्यान दो और क्या. So this was the first thing that you really need to have with your own self. So the second thing and the most favorite thing in this haul of mine is Vega hair dryer. So as you guys know, this is something that is must for everybody. Now my hairs are short because you know many people were commenting my videos also, okay, why do you are tying your hair and all. So only reason is because I have done my hair short. I have did boycott and I have I have never done that. So that's something that makes me feel awkward. So I never reveal my hair. Although when it's grown, I'll surely come बहुत long वाले hair के साथ. But ठीक है, उसके लिए time होगा. So this is the second thing that I was saying. This is a Vega hair dryer. And this is, you know, it is Vega does this work very nicely. So this is something that you really need to have at your place if you don't have. So that's something that's essential. If you have, the price for this was 700 rupees. So this is Vega Blooming Hair 1000 hair dryer. So definitely go. This is for 700, cheap, and it is very good, very good. The quality and everything is very good. So this is in pink color. So I like this color. Invest one time invest करो, but बहुत अच्छा ये. It is not that cheap वाला thing. It will. Now it's been a while that I'm having this, so definitely go for this one out. And this is the second thing that I really wanted to mention. So this is for 700, and first thing that I showed you, this I don't know the exact price. I will try to mention somewhat here, but it is around 400 or something like that only. So definitely go for this one too. So the third thing that is again the most important, I won't say, but this is something that's very crazy in our hoods. So that's HP hair set, which you need to have. So this is how it looks. This is the HP ka headset. The price for this was 999. The price for this was 1999. That's 2000 basically. The brand for this is HP. Color is black and it is very lightweight. It is very handy and it's very lightweight. It comes with a slitter. So it comes with a slitter, you know. It also supports a mic. It supports a mic in Redmi. Mic quality is incredible. It's not wireless. Obviously guys, it's not wireless. It's with wire. So the rating also for this is 3.8 somewhat in this app. So definitely go for this. 8 time use. It's good. It's for 2000 rupees. Go, sale mein rahega, grab it out. This is the best thing that you need to have at your place. If you don't, in our hoods, but it's not the essential things. So definitely if you want, go for it. It is the good in quality. Mic quality is good, everything is good. So mic का quality बहुत अच्छा है, तो definitely जाओ, grab करो और अपने पास रखो. So this is the third thing, that's the HP ka headset, which you, if you want, you can go for it. So the link will be in the description box. Definitely run and get your hands on it if you haven't yet. So the fourth one is almost सबके घर में अभी तक है ये चीज. अगर नहीं है तो फिर गाइस अपनी मम्मी को दिला दो, या आंटी आप देख रहे हो तो आप ले लो खुद के लिए, because this is going to make your kitchen का work very simple, quick, easy and very good. So the fourth thing is, this is the cutter, that's chopper, that's whatever you say. This is the chopper. This is for just 325. See the size. This is a big in size. It also एक छोटा वाला भी आता है छोटा साइज में, but we were having that only. अभी हम लोग ने ये नया मंगाया, देख सकते हो एकदम नया नया है. But the only problem goes with this कि इसका ये चीज से ही दिखता है, बाकी तो basically कुछ नहीं. तो be gentle with it, and this is so good for your onion chopping or whatever your vegetable cuttings. तो अगर नहीं आप लोग के पास तो definitely जाइए, लीजिए. बहुत अच्छा चीज है जो आपके पास रहना जरूरी है, अनिवार्य है. So definitely go for this one out. This is just for 325 rupees. So what are you waiting for? Please go and get it. Get your hands on it, definitely. So this is something that is really essential according to me for your mothers, whoever cooks for you. So definitely give them a gift. So that was the thing. So the fifth thing is again the kitchen ka item, which is a apple cutter. This is a Ganesh apple cutter. So this is how it looks. So इसमें एप्पल आपको रखना है और खुश कर गया. So this is also so good. This is just for 72 rupees and इसका quality is good guys. वो normal plastic नहीं है. You can see I'm pressing so tightly but it's not gonna break because the quality is super good, super good. So definitely go for this one now. That's Ganesh apple cutter just for 72 rupees. पीछे price is written 108 rupees. If you can see or not, I don't know. 108 rupees लिखा है, but I got it for 72 rupees. So definitely go. हर जगह available है. So go and get your hands on this apple cutter. So this was the thing. So last but not the least, one more thing that I'm going to show you is a lehenga, which I had already bought many years back in the sense 1 year back. Now it's not going to be available in the Amazon site, but Amazon से ही मंगाया था, but last year मंगाया था. I am making this Amazon ka haul video, so I thought of mentioning that. So the sixth one is this lehenga that you can see the pic over here. So this is the lehenga that I got for 999 rupees. That's 1000 rupees. So this is something that बहुत अच्छा दिखा था, अट्रैक्टिव दिखा था, बट ये ऐसा नहीं है. इट्स वेरी चीप इन क्वालिटी एंड एवरीथिंग. सो डेफिनेटली नॉट रिकमेंडिंग दिस वन. सो बस वही मेंशन करना था, इसके लिए मैंने वो पुट डाउन किया. सो डेफिनेटली डोंट गो फॉर दिस वन बिकॉज कुछ मतलब नहीं है वेस्टिंग 1000 rupees ऑन सच अ वेस्ट लहंगा. सो इट इज जस्ट थ्रोन इन माई कबर्ड. So definitely don't go for this one out. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, so you know the drill guys. Like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the notification. So this is me, Supriya Sharma, saying you goodbye, and I shall see you in the next one pretty soon. So yeah, bye. Take care. Love you all. Bye.